Hey guys, it's your boy Mike the Goat. I know it's been a while, but I'm back and I'm back for good. For those who remember, in my last video I said I was going to be posting every single week, but school caught up with me and I'm finally done with this semester, so this summer I'm just going to dedicate it to you guys, and hopefully I can get into the consistency of posting for you guys almost every single week. But as you guys can see, I'm in a new location. This is actually my room. I redid it. I built my own PC. I have my whole keyboard mouse set up over here. But today's video is going to be about a healthy hair routine that you can use for the summer. So I'm seeing a lot of people in the comments saying that my first routine isn't working for them anymore. It's because we're moving into a new season. In the summer your hair tends to get more frizzy because of the humidity. So trying to find a hair routine that works is really hard. I still have problems with it. Like, my hair is super damaged right now. I'll show you guys in a minute, but it doesn't look too good right now. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. But I came up with a hair routine that's gonna help tame the frizz, so we can still have the nice curls that we had in the fall, winter, and spring. I'll try to cover the routine step by step so you guys can do this yourself. But if you guys have questions after this video, don't be afraid to comment. Also, if you don't want to comment and you have a deeper question, you can always DM me on Instagram. I'll put my Instagram right here, and it's also in my bio. But enough of the talking, guys. We're gonna get straight into this routine. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get into the video. Alright guys, so I'm gonna show you what my hair is looking like. Please don't roast me in the comments. It's not as bad as it looked in my first video, but it's pretty bad, I'm not gonna lie. Alright, so this is what we're starting with. So to start off with the routine, guys, I'm just gonna start off with a simple hair mask. I'm gonna be using the Shea Moisture Jamaican Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Treatment Mask. Also guys, I got this little pouch for like $3 at a local Rite Aid. So if you guys wanna go check them out, they're usually in its own little section next to Shea Moisture. So this is really a good buy because, you know, Shea Moisture products can be a little expensive sometimes. So if you guys want to check it out or want to get it for pretty cheap, I will go check it out in Rite Aid. But other than that, I'll probably link it in my description because I'll find it somewhere. So if you guys want to check it out through there, you can. I wanted to start off with a hair mask because I haven't used products in my hair for like a week now. So this will really get my hair back in shape. It'll get rid of all that product buildup, and it'll get my hair nice and strong and healthy for the routine I'm about to do right now. Alright, so for the next product you guys probably seen before that I always use. Probably one of my favorite conditioners, but that's going to be the Tahitian Gardenia Flower Mango Butter Conditioner. So the reason why I'm using this conditioner is probably because it's one of my favorite detangling conditioners. I barely get frizz when I use this conditioner. In the summer I still get some frizz, but this really changed my hair to a point where when I put my gel in, my hair doesn't stick up from the frizziness or the humidity outside. And I just feel like this is a really good conditioner for anybody to use. Like I said, I mentioned it in many videos, and it's still one of my favorite conditioners. It moisturizes your curls and makes sure your curls are nice and defined. So overall, this is a really good product, so I incorporated it into this routine. So the next product is going to be a new product for this channel, and that's going to be the Shea Moisture Coconut Hibiscus Frizz-Free Curl Mousse. I actually saw this product at the store when I went to go get my hair mask, and I was thinking about a product that could tame my frizz in this humid climate, and I happened to come across this, and it was exactly what I needed for this video. It was exactly what I needed in general. I've never used it before, but I'm hoping it works really good. So I'm trying it out in this routine. It comes out good. I would highly recommend this. My sister used it. It looked really good in her hair, so hopefully it works for me too. It said it works for all curl types, so hopefully it's true to its word. I also forgot to mention to you guys, when I put this hair mask in my hair, I'm gonna have to shampoo and condition. Since you guys already know the conditioner I'm gonna use, the shampoo I'm gonna use is gonna be the Shea Moisture Jamaican Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Shampoo. You guys have definitely seen that shampoo on my channel before. I've used it time and time again. It's still one of my favorite shampoos. It always works in my hair. It always gets off that product buildup. It also contains apple cider vinegar, which I've been using to detox my scalp more frequently. To really get off that product buildup, make sure my hair isn't getting damaged. You don't want our hair falling out. And this really just keeps my curls nice and defined and healthy in a solid state. And for the last thing we're going to be using, it's going to be the one and only hair tool you'll see in this video, and that is going to be the Demon brush. So guys, I've been seeing a lot of comments asking where I got my Demon brush. Did I get it on Amazon? It's super expensive on there. I got this Demon brush at Rite Aid. I get all my stuff at Rite Aid. Guys, I really just get all my stuff at Rite Aid. My mom has a card, so we get like discounts and stuff. So if you guys have a card, I highly recommend going to Rite Aid and getting your products there, also your tools, because this is a really good Demon brush. I lost my other one, but I just bought this one. So this is a new Demon brush, but I think it was only like $7 On Amazon, they're super overpriced. They're trying to charge you like $15, or they're trying to sell you 2 for no reason. There's no reason why you should have 2 brushes unless you're like me and you're gonna lose one. But other than that, this is highly recommended. I use it when I'm in the shower. I use it when I'm out of the shower. I use it to style. I use the Denman brush for everything. It really caters to curly hair, and that's something I really like about this Denman brush. Other than that, I would say a Denman brush is essential in general for people with curly hair. It's just something good to have. Regular brushes don't work sometimes, but this really gets in there, really detangles your hair, so this is highly recommended. But enough talking, guys. Those are all the products and the tools. So now I'm just gonna throw in this hair mask. I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna put in the hair mask. I'm not gonna show you how to shampoo and condition your hair because I'm sure you guys know how to do that already. So after putting my hair mask, I'm gonna shampoo and condition, and I'm gonna come back and I'll finish the rest of the routine there. But let's get this hair mask in. Alright guys, so I switched locations because I didn't want to mess anything up. But we're just going to be putting in the hair mask. And first we're going to want to wet our hair. You don't want it soaking wet, but you want your hair to be damp, just so you can put the mask in without any complications. You don't want to be brushing in the hair mask while your hair is dry. That'll hurt really bad and your hair will literally get pulled out. So I'm just going to take one section of my hair. I'm just going to part it and I'm going to put the other half in the hair tie. And I'm just gonna focus on one section, so I'll be doing the left side first. I'm gonna take my spray bottle, I'm just gonna wet it and really get the water through my hair. Make sure every piece is nice and wet. Now that this side is all wet, I'm gonna take my hair mask, but I'm just gonna spread it evenly throughout my hair. Alright guys, so now that we're done applying the mask to this side, we're gonna apply it to the other side. Gonna wet this side, I'm gonna take it out of the hair tie, and I'm just gonna do the same process on here. And after we're done putting it on both sides, we're gonna go in with the Denman brush, try to separate those curls, make sure the mask gets really in the roots, and get all that buildup that's in my hair that's not supposed to be there out. That way when we do the routine, my hair looks super healthy. Alright guys, so now that I have the mask throughout my hair, I'm just going to take the Denman brush and brush it out evenly. Alright guys, so now that the mask is in, I'm just going to take a shower cap. I'm going to leave it for about 30 minutes just to let the mask sit. And after 30 minutes, I'm going to wash it out with shampoo and conditioner. Like I said, I'm not going to show it on camera, but after that, I'm going to show you guys the routine. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Alright guys, so I just got out the shower. I shampoo and condition. This is what my hair is looking like after shampoo and conditioning. As you can see, the hair mask made my hair really healthy. So this is going to be really good once I start putting the products in, especially the frizz tamer. So let's get right into it guys. So next we're just going to put a little bit of the Not Your Mother's conditioner. I'm not going to put too much since I already conditioned my hair. This is just to define my curls. Like I said, this is a really good product for defining curls, keeping the frizz in. So this is just a little extra step that I'm going to throw in there. It's definitely worth it, so I'm just gonna use it to get the best result. So if you guys didn't take a shower before you did this routine, you don't have to wash your hair before you do this routine. You can always just wet your hair with a spray bottle, some water. Don't wet your hair with hot water, wet it with lukewarm water or cold water. Depending on the porosity of your hair, everybody's hair is different. So just make sure you're using the one that caters to you. Don't go overboard. Like I said, you just want your hair to be damp. You don't want it to be soaking wet. But I'm just gonna take some of the Not Your Mother's and I'm just gonna spread it evenly throughout both sides of my head. Alright guys, so now that we put the conditioner in the hair, we're gonna use our coconut and hibiscus frizz-free hair mousse. I'm just gonna take 3 pumps and just spread it through my hair evenly. Alright guys, so now that I'm done putting it through on my hair, I'm just gonna take some gel and I'm gonna finger coil my hair just to get those perfect curls. I'm gonna let this air dry, and when it's done air drying, I'll come back and I'll show you guys the end result. See you guys in a bit. Alright guys, so that's the end of the video. This is what my hair looks like after using the products. Curls don't look dry. My hair is also super soft on top of that. So this is definitely one of the better routines to use when you're doing your hair for the summer. Some of the winter routines that I did in the past, they're still really good and you still use them in the summer, but your hair could get super frizzy if you don't put the right products in it, especially things that don't hold your hair. So this is a really good routine. I'm actually really satisfied with how my hair came out, and I would definitely use this product again. But other than that guys, that's gonna be the end of the video. I just want to put something out for you guys. I know this is really recommended, especially that we're going into the summer now, so I hope you guys use this routine. I hope you share it with others. But anyway guys, that's gonna be the end of the video. Like I said, I'm gonna try to start posting more consistently, maybe a video a week or maybe a video every 2 weeks. I'm not sure yet, but I'm gonna try to put out more and more content for you guys. Also, I want to start diversifying on my channel, so if you guys want to see anything else, maybe vlogs, maybe gaming videos, I would definitely start dropping those. Just let me know. I play a bunch of games, as you can see, on my free time. Also, I would do vlogs too. I just go to work and stuff. But if I go places, then I'll vlog for you guys and just show you guys what I'm doing outside of when I'm doing my hair. But anyways guys, that's it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share the video with others. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.